Let's return to Dusavytsky's structure of personality. The idea he developed was that activity, the complete chain, is wrapped around a motive when it moves into the subconscious. This process of transition is known as interiorization. In this way, the self of the personality is created. Activity, interiorization, self. But now we know that activity is conscious human behavior. As we have said, there can be several motives. Dusavytsky also identified three main central ones in his theory, three big selves with different motives within them. Self one is biological, the motives of I want, everything that is connected with the body and our biological animal nature. Self 2 is everything that is connected with the intellect. It is theoretical, critical thinking and reflection as the ability to look at oneself from the outside without emotions, the motives of I wonder. Self 3 is social, all experiences that connect us with other people, the motives of I must, when a person is able to do something for other people and at the same time empathy, the ability to sympathize with others. Dusavytsky believed that this is a complex and dramatic personality structure, requires time and effort to form. People prefer to simplify the structure and give up 1, 2, or 3 selves. So, mathematically, we obtain 8 personality types.